guys, today we're in a Flagstaff 29 RLS and we're going to take a deep dive just on the inside. So this one's a great one if you have a lot of people always coming into your camper. So you're going to have two side-by-side hide-a-bed sofas, so plenty of room for if you can have kids or whatnot. Then you're going to have, of course, your theater seats, so these are going to be super nice. And then a great big TV with a sound bar and, of course, a cozy fireplace, electric, of course. Plenty of cabinets all around here as well. On the windows, all of them are going to have day and night shades, so you're going to be able to block the sun during the day if you wanted. Going into the kitchen, we're going to have this awesome fridge. So this fridge is a nice dual swing, so you can open it on either way, whichever you wanted. You're going to have obviously a 3-burner stove or oven stove combo. Plenty of cabinets in here as well. And then you are going to have some nice bar stools. So you can have plenty of people watching TV. You got the couches and the bar stools. And then of course plenty of counter space here and drawers, and then your microwave right here as well. So super nice if you're having a bunch of people coming in. You can be the life of the party with this camper. Now we're going to check out the bathroom and the bedroom. So in here, plenty of space. You got a nice big corner shower, a big size cabinet for all your toiletries, obviously your toilet, and then your sink, and then a door into the bedroom. So coming in here, this one does have a bedroom slide, so you're going to have plenty of room in here. You're not going to have to fight over going over each other and whatnot. You're going to have space on both sides. Outlets on both sides, of course. You do have some cabinetry above there with some reading lights as well. Nice front window here with a shelf space, and then you do have a nice big wardrobe. So you're going to have plenty of space in this bedroom along with plenty of space in the living room. So this is the perfect camper for you. So come in, ask for Hunter, and we'll check it out together.